Hi, my name is Katie Costello, and I'm here with.
Kelly Solis.
Today, we know that number sense is really important for our kindergarten and our first graders. And so we have a game today that you can use with a bead string if you want to make your own with just some red and white beads, or actually any two colors. Or you can even play like we're playing online with a virtual game if you don't have those resources. But the idea of number sense and being flexible with number sense is really important. So today we're going to play a game called the tug of peace. What you need for this is what we said, a bead string, or you could use the virtual manipulatives. But you also need to create a die that has the digits 1, 2, and 3 on it. Kelly, did I miss anything?
No, I think that's all good.
And so Kelly and I are going to model it for you right now, and things that we want students to be realizing as they do it. So, Kelly, would you like to go first?
Sure.
Oh, and
All
by the way, the premise of the tug of peace is you want to be the person who has all the beads on your side. So Kelly is KS for Kelly Solis and KC for Katie Costello.
right. I rolled a 1. So, Katie, I am going to take 1 away from your 5, leaving you with 4. I'm adding 1 to my 5, which gives me 6.
You have the die. Can you roll for me?
You got a 3.
Wonderful. So I have 4. I know 3 more than 4 is 7.
All right. Oh, I got a 1 again. I know 1 more than 3 is 4.
And again, like Kelly mentioned earlier, it depends what you're working with. You might want to say, 1 less than 7 would be 6. It depends whatever, the word talk and the concept that you're working on. All right, your turn to roll for me.
3.
So I have 6. I know 3 more than 6 is 9.
I also got a 3. I'm going to take my 3 back, add it to my 1, and have a total of 4. You got a 2.
So I know 2 more than 6 is 8. Now notice how we're swiping with the number. I'm not counting 1, 2, and then moving the beads. We want kids to inherently, just like supatizing, we want them to know 2 and just pull the 2 without having to count them. What's great about a bead string like this, it's anchoring to 10 and anchoring to 5s. Those benchmark 5s and 10s are super important.
All right, you rolled a 2.
I did?
Mm-hmm.
So I have won the tug of peace. Well, here was a quick, easy, and fast game. Students love this. It's super excited. And thanks for joining Kelly and I today.
Have a good day.